Welcome back to the Double Diamond Railroad. Now we're right back here the next day, next morning, to shoot the second half here because we're into it. So we want to keep going, getting that operational feeling. So we're starting up the 3313 concepts back there, and now 3779, I think it is. BNSF's going to be in the lead. Had to come out here and we're doing a run around. Boy, I can't talk. I didn't get anything to drink before I came down. Didn't get my normal vitamin water. Just had coffee this morning. That's been a couple hours ago. 3 hours ago now. So he's coming out. We're halfway through the run around. And he's got to go out the back door here. And go out and hook up to the train. We'll take it to the other side and shove it into the interchange. I briefly vacuumed. I didn't wipe down yet. Probably stop and do that. I forgot. Vacuumed out some ballast I saw. Switches are all set up, I think. Well, we got to get track power on. We're over here. Yeah, that should be enough over there. And that'll do right there. Throw that switch, tone it, and back up and hook to our train. Give him a stretch. Didn't get it. Was afraid of that. Just stop right there. We'll take a look at him. Stand by. He did not want to go couple together at all. Okay. Now our direction's reversed. We're going to start pulling away here. We're going to stop, get that Herzog load. I'm starting to think it may have magnets. We got to stop here because coming up on the crossing down to the other end, head in, let them pull up there. Get that right on the bridge, right there, that'll do. Okay, let me see if we can take care of that with our little magnet probe here. See if I can find it. That's going to be the next issue. It's like it's got knocked down somewhere. There it is. We got it. Oh, it seems strong too. Let's see if we got any. Here's a little magnet probe. One of those. See if we got any magnets in there. How about that? Yes, we do. Yeah, and we wiped out the car doing it. Those things are heavy. Okay, now we got to fix our car back here that we rolled over. Stand by, calling MOWN. RJ Corman with a crane. Okay, we're good to go back here. Got it lifted up and got it ramped. So here we go. Got to proceed on down here. Let's get down the line where the actions are going to be. Because he's starting out from under the signal. He's got to blow through that crossing. Oh, there we go. What's missing? Power somewhere? Nope, I think he just chopped out on that switch. Get him back, he hit the air button, brings the motor back. Just glitched out on the switch, a little bit of dirt there. We didn't clean much, I didn't wipe it, I swept. See now he's doing it. The back engine's doing it. Right on that switch, got to spray it. We haven't been over here for weeks. Let's check our alignment up here. Can't really see it. Yeah, we're good. Switch is good. Gotta pull the train past the switch and go up the interchange track. Might run into some more dirt over here. That's where I've been working mostly, so see if we can get past the switch and spray it, wipe it down. He's cutting out over there, that's what I figure. The whole thing needs wiped down, cleaned again in this area. See if we can clear the switch and the tower of paint. Yeah, we got plenty of headroom on the other end. Just slow them down. We're clear. That'll do. Okay, we'll step in here and get this cleaned out. Okay, let's give it a shot. I know the front end is in dirt from the rock wall over there that I was messing with. Okay, here it goes. So you can shove them up in the interchange. Should all fit. We did all the switches there. Sprayed them, CRC, scrubbed them with the toothbrush, and did one wipe down across 2 switches. Okay, keep on shoving. Up to 8 miles an hour. Literally, I could use both tracks right there as storage. Not running any cold right now on the inner mountain loop. I have a good idea how to do storage at the other end of the layout, but I can't do it because of household stuff, laundry, rack, there. I'd like to punch a tunnel through the left corner back there and put a shelf, 6-inch wide shelf on the outside. Oh boy, there he goes again. On the outside of, so you gotta slow down because we've got diamond coming up. Okay, we're clear. We're plenty in there. Didn't even have to go that far. Let's bring it back forward a bit. So we can uncouple easier. Whole train fits in there. It's a good deal. All the way back there. And we'll stop right there. Now we'll uncouple back here, behind that engine. Right at the tank car. Calcium carbonate car that's empty. Stand by. Gotta move the tripod out of the way. Okay. Got that uncoupled. It didn't want to uncouple on that curve. Pretty stiff coupler on that tank car. So we just thought of something else we can do. Take a return load with us. And I see where we had to clean. Must have drugged the dirt out of the switch. It's right on the curve. Right there. on the curve. Yeah, see, he's cutting on the switch again. There must be paint that I didn't see without magnifiers, leftover paint. So pull up here, that's good enough. Going to go back down the main line, drop in and get these 6 sand cars that are loaded, taken to the lead. We're not going to switch them in the plant today. Let me get that switch. Get the video to start again. Okay, he's going the right way. Here we go. Now he's forward, like it's supposed to be. Oh, hold on. We missed the switch. Worried about it. Okay, don't even know where we were. Let's try this again. Had to move the camera out a couple times. Oh, the nose is going nuts now. Have to hurry up here. Have to be blowing more than the horn. Okay, I sanded this with alcohol on the pad and wiped it. So we hope we got it that time. Whatever's there, I couldn't really see much. Still cutting out right there. That's where it stopped. Have to do some extensive looking and cleaning. Just got to get up clear of this. Put the bell back on because we got crossing up ahead. Okay, that'll do right there. Okay, let's get that switch thrown or toned. It's all the main line. Okay, here we go. Try to get some speed build up here. So now we're dealing with all this section that didn't get cleaned very much. You can do about 7 or 8 miles an hour here. We're doing 6. Yep, cutting out on that switch. Of course, that's that engine. Always has trouble. It's the slightest thing. He's got to have track perfect. He needs a current keeper. Let's see if we got him stretch. Nope. Hit me again. Right there. I think he's off kilter. Stand by. I think it's off angle. Okay. See what we can do here. See if we can pick it up a little bit. and bring him right back in the yard lead. Well, he didn't. Oh, because we had to switch thrown for the runaround train. Oh boy. Back him up. Missed the switch. We had it set for straight through. Dispatch should have toned that one and threw it back for us. Of course, they always keep in line to the main. Unless you tell them what you're doing. My bad. Conductor bad. Engineer just drives, does what he's told. He wasn't paying attention either, probably sipping on coffee or thinking about hot dogs and chili dogs and stuff from Bob's. You can stop right there. Okay, now let's get in there and throw that switch. Have it toned for us. And we'll fit in the lead, no problem. I think, yeah, we should. Got this extra engine in the consist. That's a problem. It's going to come up and stop shy of the road, the concrete batch plant road exit. Okay, you got to stop right there. Went too far trying to get the camera in line. Get us back him up. Just a bit. That'll do. That's good. We're clear to switch back at the yard service track entrance. Okay, tire down. Good job. Sort of, if the operator would do his job right. So he's behind the batch plant, ready to spot on the next run. There's the cars. Stopping right shy of the service track switch. Okay guys, that's it today. Thanks for watching. That's part 2 of that. Then we'll have a part 3, I guess, spotting the cars in a plant. They're not ready. Engine's still in the shed, working on it, doing maintenance at the plant. Take care. God bless. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Whatever's going on with your life and week. Please like and subscribe. And we're still gaining subscribers. See you next time. Double Diamond Railroad out.